I'm in video while we got.
Here's the HD.
That's great.
Sorry about that.
So we're seeing like a real weather contrast here. All in one shot. I'm gonna go over the barrier here and look how the storm gets very serious very quickly. How dark it is. Go back. And you know, really the blue sky. Actually literally the blue sky in South Dakota here. And we're like right on the cusp. That's where it divides right there. Done. It's fascinating. You don't really get to see that very often.
Do you hand the pistachios?
Oh, there you go. Thanks, Ben. Now we're about to get overtaken by the dark side, as it were.
I see a bear in the clouds.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Full body or the head?
the head and the ear.
Yeah, I see. I think I see what you're talking about.
Actually, it's only 4:24.
What do you mean?
I think it's only